All right, I'm feeding my soul. I'm getting all happy. I made some homemade laundry softener with lavender and apple cider vinegar. I made the apple cider vinegar last year with all the apples that, had fallen. And um, this lavender also is left over from what didn't sell. So I put them all together, put these two together, and I made my own fabric softener. It smells really good. I think I'll try all kinds of other flower petals that didn't sell last year and put them in vinegar. And you can actually make flower vinegar, oil dressing, salad dressing. I don't eat salad, but I think it would taste really great in rice. Lavender flavored pasta, lavender or rose vinegar, rice pet. Oh, that. Oh my God. My imagination's going crazy.